Welcome to Smile Squad Kids Dentistry and Braces here in Las Vegas. We're a family-owned practice. Come on in, let's check it out.
Our waiting room is designed just for kids, with games, books, and shows to make everyone so relaxed and excited for their visit, including parents.
This is check-in, where our Smile Squad team checks you in and gets your child ready for their appointment. Our next stop are x-rays. Our digital x-rays are easy, fun, and kid-friendly. Stand still like a statue. We're done. After x-rays, our kids go into one of our bay rooms where they get their cleaning, exam, and fluoride treatment. If your child needs treatment, the next step is to come into one of our treatment rooms and you'll see a really cool graffiti art on the side. But the really cool thing about how we do things here is that we have state-of-the-art technology. So we offer laughing gas. We'll put this little nose over you. You'll breathe in the air and relax during your appointment. We also have a dry shield, and the dry shield is what we call our little jellyfish. And this goes inside your mouth, and it keeps your mouth open, and it dries everything up and sucks up all the water while protecting your airway. And lastly, we have our SOAN, which we call our thermometer. And this helps us put your tooth to sleep. And the coolest part of all, we have a TV on the ceiling where you can pick your favorite show or movie while you're getting your treatment done.
And of course, Smile Squad bucks. Kids earn them for being brave, following instructions, and taking care of their smiles. After the visit, families stop by checkout, where our Smile Squad team goes over next steps, answers any final questions, and helps schedule future appointments. That's our tour.
At Smile Squad Kids Dentistry and Braces, we're building healthy habits, confident kids, and smiles that last a lifetime.
Welcome to the squad.